Yes, be ready. Start. Sir, India lives in the villages and there in no doubt that the strength of villages is the strength of India full stop. The planners have always kept and will always keep this thing in mind full stop. When India became independent and we started the system of planning, attention was paid in this direction full stop. At that time, our great institution under the leadership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru framed land reform laws and many other laws were passed in the country to give ownership right to the farmers and the tillers full stop. During those days, about 170 laws were passed in the country under which lakhs of tillers who were not in the honor of land were given the ownership rights full stop. By including all these laws in the ninth schedule of the constitution, these were kept outside the purview of the courts of law, and in this way a revolutionary step was taken by government of the independent India full stop. For whom all these things were done? Question mark. These were done for the welfare of the farmers living in the rural areas full stop. Under those laws, 7 million tillers were given the rights of ownership for 5 million hectares of land full stop. I concede that till now some of the states have not implemented the land reforms in the desired manner, but the government of India is continuously making efforts to get these laws implemented full stop. We want that the man who tills the land should be the owner of the land so that he is able to do framing independently, use modern means properly and produce more full stop. Under the sailing law, 7 million acres of land has been declared surplus full stop. In this way, you will find that by giving possession of 5 million acres of land to the landless farmers, our government has taken a revolutionary step full stop. This helped in improving the condition of the rural people, particularly that of the farmers full stop. Next stanza. In addition, there are people in our society who were called landless full stop. Under the new economic program of our Prime Minister, these people were also distributed land full stop. I agree that land is inadequate for them to make both ends meet, but earlier they were considered inferior and now they have got a status in the society full stop. The planners formulated a scheme for the small farmers so that they could be helped full stop. We helped them so that they could take the maximum advantage of the land full stop. Next stanza. For that a sum of rupees 5,000 crore has been earmarked in the 7th 5-year plan as center's contribution full stop. It is true that the agriculture contributes 36% in our net income, and I am of the view that it is time now when we should modernize and mechanize our agriculture sector full stop. I feel that a big change has been witnessed in framing full stop. We have become self-reliant in the matter of agriculture full stop. We have produced 150 million tons of food grain at present and are not more dependent on foreign countries for food grains full stop. Our land is capable full stop. Over.